Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mazda CX-5 key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. Either will work to gently pry open the key fob casing. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. This is where you'll insert your flathead screwdriver or coin. Gently twist the tool in the slot. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force. A gentle twist is all that's needed to pop it open without causing damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it. It might be held in by a small clip or just resting in its compartment. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, specifically which side was facing up. The new CR 2032 battery needs to be inserted with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms that the fob is securely closed and all components are protected. Once reassembled, take a moment to test your key fob with your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and more. Enjoy your fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.